unique challenges. Books were limited. Unlike today, there was no easy access to the internet, and if such technology existed, it was beyond the reach of ordinary students. To consult a reference required patience. One had to wait for the first borrower to return the book before it could be used.
Correct.
I often found myself seated in the library, watching the list of borrowers, learning to wait with purpose and to value every page.
Correct yun.
That experience taught lessons that extend far beyond academia. It cultivated patience, instilled discipline, and nurtured perseverance. It set students of that generation apart, preparing us to face complex challenges with composure and integrity. I salute the students of earlier generations. They endured limitations with resilience and determination. Ang natawa our curriculum. Our alumni who came from earlier generations remind us that remind us that there is really resilience, no? And as the taxi is associated with resilience, survivor yun. Kaya kung ma-recall sa una, umabot siya tayo dito or sa mga higa nila ng mga buhay.
Saging tinoon.
So, grabe lahat.
Magsabaw o kalamunggay.
Good because
Oo, correct.
my time of was a university scholar, the allowance was only 200 pesos.
Correct.
You know, college scholar ka 150.
Correct.
Pesos monthly.
Ka-joke ka.
Survive naman sa wala. But I was much later off, not because I come from good and grades, but because my brother supported my monthly allowance. So, kasira dito pag college na ako. So, akong magulang ang magbayad. So, I always ask you. Let us carry that identity with pride. Let our actions reflect the values of patience, discipline, and service. And let us ensure that Savior remains a beacon of excellence for generations to come. Thank you and congratulations on the 150